Mixture is a combination of two or more substances without losing their physical character. It is two types. One is homogeneous, where the mixtures are completely soluble and cannot be identified. And second one is heterogeneous, where the mixtures can be identified.
Is it? Then I have a good example for mixture.
What is it?
Classroom?
What?
Yeah, mixture of boys and girls, and they can be easily separable.
You are so funny, genius.
Bob, I have a doubt. How can you separate different substances from water?
Good one. I'll tell you. There are various methods to separate mixtures that dissolved in water. Among them, the three major types are decantation, filtration, and evaporation. For this experiment, we need salty lemon juice, filter paper, funnel, Bunsen burner, water bath, and tripod stand. By keeping this glass of lemon juice in a vertical position, the heavy lemon seeds settle at the bottom and the juice is separated without disturbing the seeds like this. This is called decantation.
What about pulp then?
Yeah, coming to that. The remaining juice with pulp can be separated by filtration. Take filter paper, cut it in circular shape. And fold it like this. Set the prepared filter paper inside the funnel like this. And pour the juice. Water is separated from pulp through filter paper called filtration. The salt from water, which is totally soluble, can be separated by heating. The water with salt is boiled in water bath for some time, makes water to evaporate, leaving salt in the bowl. This process is called evaporation.
Thanks, Bob. Now I got it.
Okay,